modeling, and after that I will make material for this model. So at first, this is our cube. We can delete this cube. We can add any component from here, mesh, add and mesh, and I can see here this plane, this cube, this circle, whatever. I can choose my object. So at first I will, for example, choose this cube. I can zoom in and I will make a model here like a cup or mug. So I will choose edit, and here I will choose face, and I will click here. After that I will use inset. So I must understand how I can use these tools. These tools is helping me to make a model. For example, this is extrude. I can make extrude for this face or polygon, and in the same time I can add more. Here I can take it like that. Here I can take it like that. It will easy for me. And here I can change the amount of extrude from here, for example. So after that I can use this extrude to build new faces and to build new polygon. Inset face, it's like extrude, but it make polygon inside the polygon like that. Can you see? This is new polygon inside this one. It is inside the polygon, not up. So it will make new polygon or surface. It will be here like that, inside the polygon. Bevel is collecting these two tools like that. I can make a bevel like that. And here for my segments, I can add these segments. It will be more smooth. Yeah, something like that. And here I will add more segments. It will be good, smooth, more smooth, as you can see. Okay, here there is loop cut. Loop cut is helping me to add new polygon, new line edge around my objects. So I must understand here, when I am active the edit mode, I can see these three buttons. The first one is for vertex, second one is edge, and third one for face. Edge is connecting two vertex. So I can add this loop cut, and I can add more cuts from here. For example, I can make this 10 or 5 like that. Now I can see this is my loop cut here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is the important tools of modeling. So what I want to do now, I want to make a cup. So I will use inset face like that. Okay, after that I will use extrude, and I will put this here down, and I will click here in Y X to see where I will put this, not to go out my cube. It will be here like that. Okay, now I want to make loop, but before this I will use this modifiers, and from here I will choose subdivision service. It will make my cube like that, my cube like that. So I will use this loop cut to make this more smooth, but before this I will add here more levels in my subdivision. It will be, for example, 5 like that, and here also it will be 5. Okay, now I will add new loop cut here like that, and 1 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. It will be like that. Okay. Also, I want to add this inside 1, 2, 3. It will be like that. Good. And here I will add new lobe cut to make thickness for my cup. It will be like that. Okay. Now, what you want to know, I want to add something here to hold my cup. So what I will do, I will add new segment here with lobe cut, and it will be like, I will add here something like that, and here like that. It will be here. Okay. And after that, I will choose this face, and I will choose 1, 2, and here 1, 2, and I will extrude my face like that. One step, second step. Okay. After that, I will choose these two faces, and I will make new extrude, and here also I will do it new extrude. After that, I will go back for this vertex, and I will choose every two vertex, this and this. Okay. And I will right click, and I will go for merge vertex at center. It will be like that. Also, I will do the same here. Right click and merge at center. Like that. Right click, merge at center. It will be like that. Now I finished my model. I can make any model, like I can analyze the model. After that, I can make the model more professional as I want. For example, here this is cube. I can make this from cylinder, something like that. Here also I will take loop cut to make this here like this and here like this. It will be more better. Okay. If I want to make this more curvy, okay, I can choose this vertex. Also here I can choose this vertex, and I will take this. So now I will take this vertex here, for example, like that. And also I will choose this 3, and I will make this like that. I will do the same here. Okay, and I will take it here. Yes, there's something wrong here, and I can choose these 2 points here, and this also, and this I will take it like this. Okay, it will be more curvy like that. I can add here lobe cut. If I can, yes, maybe I can add, yes, and here lobe cut like that. Okay, so it will be curvy like that. Okay, I can't do anything, but I must understand how to choose my tools and how to use this. In the next video, I will speak with you about how to add your material and how to render your material.